bring in the studio this morning one of the gay rights activists, Mr. Should I call you Mr.? Pepe Julian Onzima. Thank you for coming in. Good morning. Why are you gay?
Who says I'm gay?
You are gay. How can I describe you?
I'm a human rights defender, currently focusing on LGBTI issues. Just for the record, I am not a gay rights activist. I believe there's nothing like gay rights. There is human rights.
Now we're looking at the raging debate. You're a gay rights activist. Why should someone be gay?
Gay people are born that way. They are born gay because you tend to realize yourself as or find out these changes in you when you're a child.
You were initially male or female?
The sex that was assigned to me at birth was female.
And you opted to become male. Are you dating any female?
Yes, I am.
Doesn't that make you gay?
What do you mean, doesn't that make me gay? I am male and attracted to a female.
So who is gay?